Welcome to Z Pro Studio.
What would happen if your business was hacked tomorrow? Could you recover your files, protect your customer data, and get back to work quickly? That's exactly why cybersecurity services are so important. In this video, you'll learn what cybersecurity services are, why every business needs them, and the essential services that can protect you from today's cyber threats. What are cybersecurity services? Cybersecurity services are professional solutions that protect your computers, networks, websites, cloud accounts, and sensitive data from hackers, malware, ransomware, phishing attacks, and other online threats. Unlike traditional antivirus software, cybersecurity services provide continuous protection through monitoring, threat detection, regular updates, and expert support. Their goal is simple: prevent attacks before they cause damage. Why are cybersecurity services important? Cyber threats are becoming more advanced every year. Small businesses, freelancers, and even home users are now common targets because attackers know they often have weaker security. A single successful attack can result in data loss, financial damage, business downtime, and loss of customer trust. Investing in cybersecurity today is much less expensive than recovering from a cyber attack later. Essential cybersecurity services. Let's look at the most important cybersecurity services every organization should consider. First, security assessment. This identifies vulnerabilities in your systems before attackers find them. Regular security assessments help you fix weak points early. Second, endpoint protection. Every laptop, desktop, smartphone, and server connected to your business should be protected against malware and ransomware. Third, email security. Most cyber attacks begin with phishing emails. Email security filters dangerous messages before they ever reach your inbox. Fourth, threat monitoring. Modern cybersecurity services monitor your systems around the clock, detecting suspicious activity and responding quickly before problems become serious. Finally, incident response. Even with strong security, no system is completely risk-free. An incident response plan helps your business recover quickly if an attack occurs. Common mistakes. Many businesses unknowingly weaken their security by making simple mistakes. Some rely only on antivirus software. Others skip multi-factor authentication or never back up important data. Another common mistake is assuming cloud services automatically provide complete security. Good cybersecurity requires multiple layers of protection. How to improve your security today? If you're just getting started, begin with these simple steps. Enable multi-factor authentication on all important accounts. Install reliable endpoint protection. Train employees to recognize phishing emails. Perform regular security assessments. Back up important business data. These small improvements can significantly reduce your cybersecurity risk. Conclusion. Cybersecurity services are no longer optional. They're an essential part of protecting any modern business. The right combination of security assessments, endpoint protection, email security, threat monitoring, and incident response can help defend your business against today's evolving cyber threats. If you haven't reviewed your cybersecurity strategy recently, now is the perfect time to start.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Z Pro Studio for more tech tutorials, AI tips, and digital marketing insights. See you in the next video.